little Old Bay in there. Old Bay. This recipe is so, how can I say this? I think it's a copycat, okay? Of Red Lobster, you guys. You got to try this one, baby. When I tell you I have found the secret, well, I ain't gonna say I found it. Okay, follow me on this. I shocked myself, okay? Hey fam, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How is everybody doing? Good, because today your girl is giving you a very close-up. Because what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make us some drop garlic mozzarella biscuits, okay? Yeah, some drop garlic mozzarella biscuits. So what we're gonna start off with is a cup of all-purpose flour, right? Yeah, get you some all-purpose flours, fam. Okay, now, I was in the mood for me some biscuits, right? Some drop biscuits. Now, I'm just going to make this biscuit dough right quick. And, yeah, that's what it is your girl is about to do. So, next, we're going to use some baking powder. Yes, we're going to go ahead and use 1 teaspoon, of baking powder. I'm going to put that right on in there just like that. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put us 1/4 of table salt. You don't have to. But yeah, I am. I'm going to put a little bit in there. Because, you know, hey, we finna make us some biscuits, right? So, let's put us a little sugar in here. We got us a little sugar going on. Okay. And we're just going to put like a tablespoon of that in here. Because I don't need many biscuits. But I want that sweetness behind it. Oh, yeah. Boy, when I tell you, see, I had to make sure I had brought this over here by the sink. So I'm just going to sprinkle me just a little garlic. Just a little garlic. Just like so. I mean parsley. Parsley. I'm sorry, you guys. Just a little parsley. Okay? Because I'm super excited. I have been testing this recipe for a minute. And we're going to use us. You know what? I'm going to put that on here. I'm just going to use a little garlic powder. We're going to use us a little garlic powder as soon as I find it. I believe I have it right here. So, yeah. We're going to sprinkle us some garlic powder over in there. Just like this. Because we want garlic flavored biscuits, right? So, yes, you fam. So, what we're going to do is we're going to give this a good stir. We're going to give this a good stir. Get it all incorporated, right? Just like so. We're going to get it all incorporated. Now, this biscuit recipe will go with anything. Now, what we're going to do is sprinkle a little Old Bay in there. Old Bay. This recipe is so, how can I say this? I think it's a copycat, okay? Of Red Lobster, you guys. You got to try this one, baby. When I tell you I have found the secret, well, I ain't gonna say I found it. Okay, follow me on this. I shocked myself. Okay? I shocked myself. So, we got us a little milk. Well, it's not milk. Let me take that back. It's not milk. We got a little half and half. Okay? We just gonna go with a little half and half. Right here. You guys, let's put that right there for the time being. And we're going to put us a little melted butter. We're going to put us a little melted butter in this half and half. And we're going to stir it just like that. Because we want that buttery texture. We want that, well, I put a little flour in it. But that's okay, because we're just going to brush the top with the remainders. And what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this together. We're going to stir that in just like that. Now, let's go on and give that a stir. Now, we're not incorporating it real, you know, good together like that. Just want to get it halfway, because I don't want to put too much of a mix on it. I don't want to put too much of a mix on it, because now we got to put our cheese in there, right? We got to put our cheese in there, y'all. And we're using mozzarella. We're using mozzarella cheese. Now, most use cheddar, but your girl felt like mozzarella would be good with this meal I am creating. So make sure, once you see this video, if you haven't checked out my ravioli video, please do so. And we're going to slide this in the oven. Going to slide that in the oven for approximately, I want to say about 25. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm over here schooling and everything else. Oh, look at there, you guys. That is the perfect drop dough. Okay? Perfect drop dough. We're going to slide this in the oven, you guys, for approximately, I'm going to say 20 minutes. Okay? 20 minutes. Now, this is our non-stick skillet. Did I say skillet? You guys know what I mean. I don't know if this is going to be enough, because they is going to spread out, huh? Yeah, you guys. They are going to spread out. So what your girl going to do, she just going to switch, because I need enough room. And I want to make sure that this comes out. So, yeah. What we're going to do is we're just going to go on here and spoon us out some dough. Now, yeah, I should be using parchment paper or something like that, but I don't have that around here. So, we work with what we got, okay? We work with what we got. And we're going to do it just like that. You know what? I'm going to use the other one, because I don't want them too close. I want to give them room. I want to give them room to spread it out, to do their thing. Well, we're going to put that one right here in the corner, because, you know, we got to have that taste test biscuit, right? So we're going to put these two pans on in the oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Not long at all. And we'll see you with the final results. Okay, there you have it, guys. Some cheesy garlic. Oh my goodness, you guys. The smell is beautiful. Okay. So, yeah. That is that simple and delicious. You can use real garlic or you can use the powder garlic. But your girl used the garlic mint, and we're just going to go on in there. Look at there. Okay. A quick biscuit, drop biscuit. And cheese too, because I have mozzarella cheese in there. I don't have a very lot, but it's your choice of how many you want to put in there. Just a beautiful texture all the way around. Beautiful texture. Oh, it's hot. So I want to let it cool. But anywho, you guys, try this recipe with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. That's why it's always best to use parchment paper. But as you guys know, I don't have any. But it's still good. They still living. So yeah, share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Simple, easy, at-home garlic biscuits you can have right out of your kitchen. So I'm going to send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.